Hi everyone, I'm Molly Horn, Total Wine's resident mixologist and cocktail strategy manager. I'm excited to share my love for some women in business, spirits business that is. Now this week I'm all about this recent addition to our Spirit Direct portfolio, Super She Super Chilled Colorado Vodka. Christina Roth, the woman behind this delicious spirit, set out to create something that really upholds the modern feminist woman's lifestyle, really focusing on sustainability and actively supporting women-run businesses. In fact, Super She actually started as a community of women from 122 countries around the globe. This gluten-free corn-based vodka is super smooth, perfect for mixed drinks or on the rocks. In this case, I chose to highlight the femininity of this brand by shaking this up in a Cosmo, but it's just as delicious in a dry martini. Cheers.